Vela da dieta. Biz bunu video palo season palo tok. Da basta biz. Men gecede şişməni belə yazsın. Mən o yerə döydüm.
Hello and welcome to Brawl Talk. Ryan, could you please?
But Danny, it's the summer of monsters!
That's right, Season 2, Summer of Monsters.
We've got a brand new chromatic brawler for you called Surge, and he's maybe one of the most unique brawlers we've ever made.
His main attack is kind of like a combination of Spike and Jean. You throw a projectile and then when it hits the enemy, it divides into other projectiles.
That's right, and his super is really interesting. Every time you use Surge's super, he upgrades himself, and his attacks become different, and he becomes stronger. You can do that a maximum of 3 times, but if you're defeated, you lose all those upgrades, so stay alive.
In addition, we have another exclusive skin in the past. Before, we had only 1, now we have 2.
And those exclusive skins are Super Ranger Brock and Mecha Paladin Surge.
Also, one quality of life change that you guys have been asking for. Now you can collect the rewards in any order you want.
That's right. Season 2, Summer of Monsters, is starting on July 6th and will last 10 weeks.
Now, Ryan, if I have like 1 million gold coins, what can I do with them now?
That's way too much gold, and here's how you're going to spend it. Coming in this update, we've got True Silver and True Gold skins for the very coin-rich players. True Silver is going to cost 10,000 coins, and True Gold costs 25,000. But if you want that gold skin, you've got to buy the silver one first.
And to be able to buy it, you need to reach at least Power 9. So, of course, we're talking about monsters, but where are the monsters?
Coming in July, we have Mega Beetle Bee, King Crab Tick, and fighting those monsters is Streetwear Max. The Summer of Monsters wouldn't be complete without a new game mode.
We present you Super City Rampage. You guys have been asking for a long time for a new PvE mode, which means that's
Bu var minudayız. Bunu öldük. Bu bozu. Bu var minuta. İyi be de bu gold nasıl bozkırma. So bozuldu. Nada biz boz ele bozulalese bu bozulu.
brawlers against computer or AI. So now we are having 3 brawlers against another boss, and this boss is a big monster that wants to destroy the city, and you have to prevent that from happening by defeating the boss before, I think it's 2 minutes?
That's right, before the city gets destroyed.
Exactly.
Coming in this update, we're testing a new object on the map called the rope.
Bu ses onu vu.
Fence. This is kind of cool because you can shoot over it, but you can't walk through it. So it's sort of like water, but it can be destroyed like other wall tiles can.
And also, Hot Zone is here to stay.
You guys have been asking. Hot Zone is going into the rotation with maps and new quests. And we've got more pins. And pins will be available in battle starting with the update.
And also the trophy road got extended up to 50,000 trophies.
We cannot wait for the Summer of Monsters, and since you guys watched to the end, you get some special extra info. Crow and White Crow are getting a remodel in this update.
So don't forget to subscribe to get more awesome news like that.
And we will see you next time.
I'm really impressed on how good that was.
We got. I could tell. we had no idea what we were saying, but we got it out there.
Because I said your lines and then. Wow, that's how pros are.
That's how it's done.
So ileride sepaka ileride. Evet. Sepaka ileride. Bir suda kullandım. Çok kasası. Sepaka ben de gördüm.